All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with the pre-market post-wave report for Sunday, June the 5th. This is where we're going to take a look at how the markets ended for the week and see where we are possibly going to be starting the week off at. And this is pretty rapid fire, so let's get through it. All right, so the first one here is the US dollar index. You can see the market did finish bearish on the week, so are expecting much more downside to come. Ride UDN is all I can say on that one. All right, next up, we got the real estate market. Taking a look at ticker IYR. You can see here it did put in a primary rally alert last week, but we got no upside production. So perhaps this week the market will go ahead and try to break out. We'll see what happens. So I'm expecting the market to try to make a run for it to start the week off. Taking a look at oil by way of ticker OIH, and you can see this one did explode. I'm expecting a lot more upside here. The primary rally alert from 2 weeks ago played into effect. We got that upside production last week. I mean, the following week, and then again now. And I think this bullish pointer here is where the market's gunning for to take out. So oil, I'm looking to start the week off bullish. Taking a look at the NASDAQ 100 by way of QQQ. All right, so we had that primary rally alert the week ending May the 27th. And then last week we got that upside production before pulling back a little bit into the close of the week. We'll see if the bulls can muster up a little bit more upside potential here. If not, then more selling is probably going to start kicking in at any minute. Next up, we have silver by way of ticker SLV. Likewise, it had a primary rally alert the week ending May the 20th. Got a little bit upside production. Now the market's kind of stalled out here at the bottom of the Kumo cloud where there is heavy resistance. We'll see if the market can get enough under it to make something happen. But right now, looking for this one to also try to stage a rally to start the week off. Looking at the S&P 500 by way of ticker SPY. Likewise, had the primary rally alert. The market gave a little bit of upside production before pulling back into the close. So again, even on this one, we're expecting for the market to try to stage more of a rally, but the selling pressure is starting to take its toll a little bit. Looking at bonds by way of ticker TLT. So this one did try to do something, and it's just hit with a lot of resistance because the selling is just relentless, and this is bound to have tremendous impact in prices because with rising interest rates, what are you going to do, right? But at this point, if these bond prices keep falling, I don't know if they're going to be able to control interest rates the way they think they will. Looking at nat gas by way of ticker UNG, it's been on a tear. We had the primary rally alert the week ending February the 18th, and this market has done nothing but rally up into that point. It's just been a non-stop ride. What do you do with that? It's not a whole lot you can do with that, except for let the market do what it do. Next up is ticker UUP, which is the US dollar. And as you can see here, it's falling down just like the US dollar index itself. As for ADA Cardano, you can see here, we have a primary rally alert to start the week off with on the weekly. Let's see if the market can get some momentum behind it and finally put in a bottom. Next up is a Litecoin. So Litecoin also, to start the week off, has a primary rally alert. We'll see if the market can manage to do a little something here or no. Next up, we have Bitcoin, the mighty Bitcoin, and it we came into the weeks with the primary rally alert, and we got nothing last week but a flat sideways moving market. So maybe this week is the one that gets the market to break out. Looking at THETA. All right, so THETA, to start the week off, we have a primary rally alert Hopefully this one to get some mustard behind it and start to move higher. We'll see if the bulls can pull it off. All right, XRP Ripple, we are expecting this market to rally to start the week off with the primary rally alert. We'll see what happens on that one. Next up is Ethereum. Ethereum, we're expecting the market to rally to start the week off because the week prior we had a primary rally alert, but last week we got nothing but sideways trading. You know how the holiday week, short weeks tend to do that. So we're expecting the market to try to rally to start the week off. Looking at the Dow Jones, so by way of ticker DIA, we're expecting this market to try to rally to start the week off as well because it really didn't do anything last week. Taking a look here at the gold miners by way of GDXJ, expecting the market to start the week off with a rally as well, coming off of the back of the primary rally alert 2 weeks ago. Next up is gold itself by way of ticker GLD. This one right here is still bearish, so we're expecting sideways to lower prices to start the week off. At some point, though, this bullish pointer will be taken out, and these two down here will be taken out as well. And since the market's in a bearish tone, I think the old bearish pointers will be taken out before the bullish pointer. Taking a look now at our Russell My Hustle by way of ticker IWM, expecting higher prices to start the week off as well, coming off the back of a primary rally alert the week ending May the 27th. And last but not least, our bear market index indicator, which is a tradable security called HDGE, Advisor Shares Ranger Equity Bear ETF. So it's an inverse ETF that rallies when the market is crashing, and it had a primary crash alert coming into the week we just finished, and the market did give a little bit of downside production. I'm expecting this one to start the week off lower as well, even though you did have some bids. They were still trying to buy these last 2 weeks, but to no avail. And so I think the bears are going to push this down, which means I think that the stock market is primed and poised to do a little bit of rallying to start the week off. So we'll see what happens, ladies and gentlemen, but definitely the reports are out. So do yourself a favor and go to pulsewavetrading.com. You can open up your dashboard, refresh your browser, and all the reports are there for you to peruse at your leisure. And with that being said, smash the like button. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.